Do you know how you can earn much money with program? If you answer the note, I will show you everything step by step in this video. Let's get started. Hello guys, and welcome to all things. In this video I'm gonna share with you how you can earn starting from $100,000 up to $127,000 with programming. According to Indeed.com, the average Python developer salary in US in 2020 is starting from $100,000 up to $127,000. So in this video I'll show you how you can earn this much dollars with program. If your question is why, because of Python is based for recent technologies such as data science, IoT, and machine learning and other technologies. Besides that, Python is very easy to learn and to understand. That make Python easiest to work, and that make the developers or management salary. Python is easiest since it have many frameworks and libraries. We will talk more about frameworks and libraries in the future videos, but today we focus on how to earn this much dollar. In order to earn this much dollar, you have to learn Python programming. In order to learn Python programming, you have to first learn web development. That help you to have good understanding of programming and to earn money with web development, as well as use it in Python programming in some areas that help you in some area of Python programming. So first you need to learn web development, then into Python programming. In this channel I will give you everything that you need to know about web development as well as Python programming. Alright guys, this is all about today's video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next video, bye bye.